Welcome to the instructional video for the Uniforce Quick Draw Air Tester HP kit. This demonstration will guide you through the assembly, operation, and interpretation of results. The kit is designed to test compressed air samples from high-pressure cylinders or compressors up to 300 bar, ensuring the air is breathable and free from contaminants. It detects carbon monoxide, carbon dioxide, water vapor, and oil content, and ensures compliance with EN 12021 standards. The kit also comes with a detailed instruction guide for safe and correct use. Safety note: before beginning, ensure the breathing air cylinder is placed securely in a safe, upright position to avoid rolling or movement. Components: inside the kit you will find the measuring device with manifold, rubber tube holders, a pressure reducer with pressure gauge, a flow meter, an adapter to connect with a high-pressure breathing airline or cylinders, a timer, a detector tube tip cutter, and Quick Draw Uniforce detector tubes supplied in packs of 10 for carbon monoxide, carbon dioxide, water vapor, and oil content testing. Preparation: before beginning, read the instruction manual. Always check that the detector tubes are within their shelf life. Tube validity is printed at the rear of each box. Assembly. Step 1. Connect the pressure reducer to the compressed air cylinder. Ensure the connection is tight and leak-free. Step 2. Connect the manifold to the pressure reducer. The air tester assembly is now complete. Flushing. Before testing, connect the rubber tube holders to the manifold outlets. Open the breathing air cylinder valve and flush the system for at least 5 minutes. Once flushing is complete, remove the tube holders. Leak check. If leakage is observed at the quick fit coupling ports on the air tester, discontinue use and send the unit to Uniforce for service and maintenance. Flow rates: each port on the manifold is factory calibrated for a fixed flow rate. 300 milliliters per minute for carbon monoxide, 300 milliliters per minute for carbon dioxide, 1 liter per minute for water vapor, and 4 liters per minute for oil HP synthetic. These flow rates can be confirmed using the rotometer included in the kit. Detector tube preparation: select one tube each for CO, CO2 and oil measurement. Break both ends using the tip cutter. For the water vapor tube, break only one end initially as the tube is extremely sensitive to ambient humidity. Insert the tubes into the rubber tube holders, ensuring the arrow on each tube is pointing in the correct direction of airflow from the cylinder to the tube. Testing. Set the timer for 5 minutes. Open the compressed air supply and start the timer. At this point, break the second end of the water vapor tube and insert it into the holder. After 5 minutes of sampling, remove the tubes. For oil content measurement, sampling time depends on the type of oil and its detection limit. For example, for Mobil Raris 427 oil having detection limit of 10 microgram requires 5 minutes sampling to draw 20 liters of air sample volume for determination of 0.5 milligrams per cubic meter of the oil content present in the breathing air from a high pressure cylinder or a compressor or compressed air line. For other types of oils, please refer to the table 1 and 2 in the instruction sheet available in the Quick Draw Oil HP detector tube box. Always wear gloves while handling detector tubes, particularly the oil HP tube, as it contains a toxic compound. Oil HP synthetic tube procedure. After removing the oil HP synthetic tube from the holder, carefully break the internal ampoule. Gently tap the tube so that the chemical liquid flows down to the bottom column. This liquid reacts with the medium. If the bottom column turns brown from light to dark shade, it indicates the presence of oil contamination in the breathing air cylinder. Reading results. After sampling, examine the color change in each detector tube. This change indicates the concentration of contaminants present in the breathing air. Read the result as the scale printed on each tube. Disassembly. Once testing is complete, close the air cylinder valve. Allow the pressure to bleed down to 0. Disconnect the measuring device and repack the kit for storage for next use. Standards. As per N12021 standards, the permissible limits are carbon monoxide, maximum 5 ppm, carbon dioxide, maximum 500 ppm, oil content, less than or equal to 0.5 mg per cubic meter, and water content, maximum 50 mg per cubic meter at 200 bar, 35 mg per cubic meter at 300 bar, and 25 mg per cubic meter from compressor air. We also provide detector tubes for other gases with various ranges in packets of 10 such as Quickdraw Nitra HP, ammonia, sulfur dioxide, water vapor and many more, etc. with this kit on customer requirements. Important note: if the measurement results exceed these standards or internal limits, the cylinder must not be used for breathing air applications. This video is intended for educational and training purposes only. It is the user's responsibility that they must follow the manufacturer's instructions, ensuring proper maintenance, training and compliance with safety standards EN12021 for the air supply system. We also offer the Quickdraw Air Tester HP Plus kit, which comes with additional components such as a billow-type sampling pump and a Quickdraw oxygen detector tube. This allows measurement of oxygen content in compressed breathing air cylinders or compressors, in addition to the standard contaminant tests. For further guidance or technical support, please contact the Uniforce Technical Support Team. Thank you for watching this instructional video on the Quickdraw Air Tester HP kit.